If you've been looking for the best macaron filling recipes, you've come to the right place. I've created a macaron filling digital cookbook with over 100 macaron fillings to satisfy your cravings. If you're anything like me, you spend hours and hours browsing Pinterest and your favorite food blogs, trying to find delicious, unique, and fun macaron filling ideas. Maybe you're looking for some classic tried and true recipes like vanilla bean buttercream or chocolate ganache, or even a traditional pistachio macaron filling. Or maybe you're bored of using the same macaron fillings over and over again, and you're looking for something new to spice up your macarons like a boozy champagne buttercream, or something seasonal like pumpkin spice or apple. The Flavorful Fillings digital cookbook will help you with all of these problems. You'll have access to over 100 macaron filling recipes, all in one easy-to-use digital cookbook. Here's how it works. Once you purchase the book, you'll get a digital copy that you can use on your iPad or computer, as well as a printable copy that you can print out and use next to you while you're cooking. The cookbook has 8 main recipe categories, including American buttercream with chocolate and cream cheese varieties, ganache, caramel, jam, curd, and compote. For each category, there will be a base master recipe along with step-by-step photos of how to make it. Once you master these easy-to-understand techniques in the base recipe, you'll unlock over 100 macaron filling flavors. Each variation makes slight tweaks to the base recipe to give you new and creative flavors. Plus, all of the recipes in the book can be layered with each other to unlock even more flavor combinations. For example, layer dark chocolate ganache with raspberry compote or apple jam inside a ring of oatmeal cookie buttercream. There are an endless amount of macaron filling ideas scattered throughout this one digital cookbook. By using the Flavorful Fillings cookbook, you'll go from boring and basic macarons to unique, fresh, and fun macarons. Here's a sneak peek at some of my favorite flavors in the cookbook. We've got pistachio, funfetti cake batter, and strawberry buttercream. I also love the chocolate buttercream varieties with espresso, Reese's, and hot chocolate. Plus, we can't forget about the cream cheese buttercream varieties like carrot cake, cinnamon roll, and cannoli buttercream. Moving along to the compotes, we have pineapple, raspberry, and brandy cherry, which make delicious center fillings. We also have my favorite citrus curd fillings like lemon, grapefruit, and lime, plus some ganache recipes such as dark chocolate raspberry, lemon poppy seed, and butterscotch. I promise you, this is the macaron filling cookbook that you've been waiting for. With over 150 pages, you will not only receive over 100 macaron filling recipes, but also the best practices for filling, maturing, and storing macarons, along with step-by-step photos for each base recipe, my favorite helpful tips and tricks for creating each type of filling, and my well-tested macaron shell recipe. All of the recipes in this cookbook use both US measurements such as cups and teaspoons, along with metric measurements like grams and milliliters. After years of baking macarons and thousands of macarons later, I've decided to finally share all of my tried and true recipes with you to hopefully help spark your creativity. This cookbook will not only inspire you to become a better macaron baker, but it will push you to continue exploring new and delicious flavor combinations.